Yo guys, what's up? Your boy is back, and today we're gonna talk about Huawei Nova 3i. It is the latest mid-range smartphone from Huawei. It is a lighter version of Huawei Nova 3 which was released recently. Huawei Nova 3i looks like the Huawei P20 Lite with bigger display and better performance, but in design wise it's the same like Huawei P20 Lite. This device comes with 6.3-inch Full HD Plus panel. It is a notch display with 19:9 aspect ratio, and you can hide the notch in the settings. On the top, this device has 24 plus 2 megapixel selfie cameras, so there are two cameras on the front, so you can expect better front camera performance. And on the bottom there is a small chin. Moving to the back, this device got 16 plus 2 megapixel camera setup, and we see this camera setup on Huawei P20 Lite and Huawei Nova 2i, so you can expect that kind of performance on this device. This device has glass on the back and there are aluminum on the side. It gives that shiny look that we get from P20 series, and there is also a fingerprint scanner on the back. Huawei Nova 3i is the first device that has Huawei's new Kirin 710 chipset. So this device has an upgrade from 659 to 710, and this chipset has got a lot of improvements. We can say this chipset is a competition to Snapdragon 660 chipset. The bad thing about this device is it has no USB Type-C, and the good thing is it has 3.5mm headphone jack. Basic variant of Nova 3i comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and you can also expand this storage up to 256GB. This device has 3340 mAh battery, so no improvement from the previous generation, and this device also does not have fast charging. Huawei should not have done this. At least this generation should come with fast charging port. The price of this device is $300, and specs wise it is a very good price. This device is also a competitor to Xiaomi Mi 8 SE. So overall a good improvement from previous generation, and there are things that need to improve and we may see in the upcoming generations. So it is a good thing from Huawei. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.